The remarkable history of Europe describes the passage of time from humans inhabiting the European continent to the present day, where Germany emerged as Europe's largest economy and second most populous nation. With the beginning of 14th century, Germans revolutionized the world by their wisdom and knowledge. They gave a breakthrough in inventions and innovations. Today, in science and technology, they are the pioneers of jet engines, automobiles, computers, and all other achievements modernized the whole world. They had great legends in music compositions. Their daring athletes rule the world. And they are great architects, whose work makes them prominent in the world. Among these great German architects, Heinrich A. Hummel is the most remarkable icon of this century. His work is a stellar example of German traditions for quality, ingenuity, and precision. So what's the secret ingredient in his world-class designs? It's simply the German factor, with high-tech engineering and infrastructures. His master achievement, Neues Lagerhaus, is the most tallest and award-winning office building of 20th century. It was featured in the 1989 Guinness Book of Records. Hotel Friesenhof. The sophisticated elegance of this classic palace hotel measures approximately 30 meters high by 90 meters wide, with 92 light-flooded guest rooms. And his stunning masterpiece Wave-Shaped Undine that defines ultra-luxury German standards. After gaining over a decade of experience in Europe, Mr. Hummel founded his quest out of the bounds and honors his flag of achievements to the United Arab Emirates skyline and incorporated Casimir Star Gesamtplanung. United Arab Emirates is the land of extremes, where Dubai is the pearl of the Persian Gulf. It's famous for its spectacular beaches and desert dunes. Dubai is the global hub of travel, shopping, and entertainment. It's a place for superlatives, with landmarks that are the biggest and the most expensive in the world. Dubai is a city of skyscrapers, where expansion has no limit. And now, Casimir Star proudly contributes to United Arab Emirates another estate, Ajman. Ajman is located along the Persian Gulf. We take nothing for granted. To flourish our German quality and standards, and to ensure the success of a building life, we assist you right from the conception to the completion. With the help of our best award-winning architect, world-class interior masters, and professional marketing team, we lead you through project planning and management, conceptual and architectural design, brokerage resale, comprehensive sales and marketing. Personifying the avant-garde brilliance, Casimir Star Gesamtplanung brings a fresh European aesthetic to Dubai. Frankfurt Tower is strategically set in Jumeirah village south. It's an astonishing level of excellence in architecture. Frankfurt Sports Tower is a stunning masterpiece at the heart of New Dubai Sport City. It's a perfect blend of luxury, elegance, quality and precision of German engineering. Frankfurt Residence in Marmurka City.